the same heading. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. You see here question number 7. X plus 2 the whole cube. Whenever you see the identity, you should write the identity in the right side. That is a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Right? A square plus a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here you see, in the place of a you have x, in the place of b you have 2. So you are going to replace a and b in terms of x and 2. Now a cube, x cube, a can be replaced by x plus 3 into x square into b I said. So into 2 plus 3 into a is x, b square, so 2 square plus 2 cube equal to 2x into x square, 3x cube. Same variable, so you are going to add the powers. Law of exponent, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Same base, so you are adding the power. That logic to apply here. That's why 2x into x square can be written as 2x cube. Sorry, I committed mistake. 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. Identity I applied, law of exponent also we used. What we learned that we are using in the present. X cube plus 6x square plus 2 square as 4. 4 into 3, 12x plus 2 cube as 8 equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Then shift everything to that side. You are going to make it as a quadratic equation. So 2x cube minus 2x, the plus, so it becomes minus, the plus it becomes minus, here also the same, plus 12x minus 8 equal to 0. The right hand side always 0. Right. 2x cube minus x cube. So you get it as x cube. Next, minus 2x. So the next term x square. Only one term is there. So you write as such. Minus 2x minus 12x. Both are negative. So add and put negatives involved. 14x minus 8 equal to 0. What I said, quadratic equation means the standard form I said ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But here you have x cube term. It is not in the form of, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, the given is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means it should start with the power as 2, then it should be in the descending. If the starting should be x square, but here the starting is x cube, it is not a quadratic equation. Right? Now, the second Roman letter represents the following in terms of quadratic. See here, the area of a rectangular plot. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Now, the length of the plot 1 more than. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Find the length and breadth of the plot. Here they didn't say anything about length and the breadth. So you should consider any one as a variable. Here I am going to consider breadth as a x, any variable. If you want to take y, y. If you want to use s, you can use. Here I am going to use breadth as x. How the verbal, the statement I am going to modify in terms of algebra, that is algebraic expression, that followed by quadratic equation. Right. Length of the plot is. So I am going to consider let the breadth, length and breadth we don't know. So anything, any one you consider as a variable. Let the breadth be x meter. Why I selected meter here? Because the area is given as meter square. That's why x meter. Now the length. Length is equal to, listen, read the statement and twice, thrice, understand and then modify. The length of the plot is length equal to 1 more than. 1 more than I discussed already, isn't it? More than means addition. 1 more than twice. Twice means 2 times. That is 2. Its breadth. Breadth what we consider x. So 1 plus 2x. Now you people understand? Again I repeat. 1 more than. This particular alone you have to focus. 1 more than twice. 1 more than should be replaced by addition. Twice its breadth. 2 times. 2 times. So 2 into x. That is 2x. Now we know what is breadth and what is length. What is area of a triangle? Area of a triangle. So area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle equal to L into B square units. Formula you know, isn't it? Area of a rectangle equal to L into B. Now what is our L? 1 plus 2x. What is our breadth? X. Now area is given as 528. So 528 equal to length. What we modified? The statement we modified in terms of algebra, that is 1 plus 2x. Breadth what we had? X. Right? The whole statement is to bring it in terms of quadratic. 528 equal to length. 528 is given as area. So the left hand side is replaced by the numerical value. Now 1 into x, x plus 2x into x. I discussed the law of exponent. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Because here the power base is same, we are going to add the powers. So what you can get? 2x square. What you can get? 2x square. Now 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. The whole statement becomes in terms of quadratic equation. 2x square plus x minus 528. You know how to factorize. Polynomial you learn, quadratic polynomial. Here you see what is your sum? Sum equal to 1. Coefficient of x is your sum. Product equal to constant and the coefficient of x square. Product of constant and the coefficient of x square. So what it is? Minus 528 into 5. 5 2s are 10, minus is there, so it becomes 1056. Sum equal to 1, product equal to minus 1056. Now, sum, product, the rule you write, bigger number, smaller number. Sum is positive, product is negative. Sum positive, product negative means bigger number positive, smaller number negative. First you should know this logic. Sum is positive, product is negative. You will get two things, that is bigger number and the smaller number. The bigger number it becomes positive, the smaller number it becomes negative. Here you have a large number. Now we are going to do the factorization. So 1000, that you should do 1056. You have to factorize using the prime number, you should factorize. Here the number ends with 6. Apply the divisibility condition. 2. So 2 5s are, then 2 2s are, remaining 1, 8. Next, the number ends with 8. So again it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again the number ends with 4, divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 3, 2. Again the number ends with 2, you should divide by 2. 6 are next 2, 33. Next, here addition, when you add you get it as 6, so it is divisible by 3. 3 11. At the end you arrive the prime number, you should stop the division. Right? Now sum as 1. Product what we had? 1056. You have to focus on the sum while selecting the numbers. See, 2 2s are 4. The possibility you have to use to it. Okay, the possibility you have to write, practice, then only you will get an idea. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 6, 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are 32. 11 3s are 33. You have to write 2 to 4 possibilities, then which is add to the sum that you should select. Here the add is 32 and 33. I told you sum is positive, product is negative means bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Bigger number positive, smaller number negative. How I am going to factorize, you see. X, bigger number positive, plus 33 into x, smaller number, minus 32 equal to 0. While taking the possibility, your focus should be only on sum. Based on the sum only, you should say write the symbol. So plus 33 minus 32, you get it as plus 1x. When you multiply, automatically you arrive 1056. Okay, now you are factorized the quadratic. One more thing you have to listen. Coefficient of x square is 1, you have no issue. Suppose except 1, any other thing is there. Here you multiply, no? You have to divide, then only it is equalized. Right? So you have to divide by 2. X is equal to minus 33 by 2. X is equal to 2 1s are 1. Then remaining 1, 12, 6. X is equal to 16. Now you see, you arrive to result. X is equal to 16, X is equal to minus 33 by 2. Here you arrive negative. The measurement cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 33 by 2 is rejected. X is equal to minus 33 by 2 is rejected. Why it is rejected? Measurement cannot be negative. Measurement cannot be negative. So what is our breadth? X is equal to 16. Breadth we consider as x. So breadth equal to, answer final. Breadth equal to B is equal to 16 meter. Length equal to, length what you assume here, 1 plus 2x. So 1 plus 2 into 16, which is equal to 1 plus 32, which is equal to 33 meter. See, the units are important. We have to write the units. Breadth equal to 16 meter, length equal to 33 meter. And the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. Find the integer. Consecutive. Consecutive means next numbers. Okay. For example, 1 and 2 are consecutive numbers. Here two consecutive positive integer they say. So they didn't say any number. We are going to consider first. Let one number be x consecutive. So the next number. The other number be x plus 1. That's why I gave an example 1 and 2. First number is 1. Second number means 1 plus 1, 2. The same. For here one number is x. The another number is x plus 1. Product. The word problem you have to read, understand and then modify. Right? Consecutive, I got it as x plus 1. Here the word will give you the clue how to make a thing in a quadratic. So product. According to the question, the statement you are going to convert into quadratic equation. Product means you have to multiply these two. X into x plus 1 equal to the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. Right? The statement I converted in terms of quadratic. Now x into x, the same law of exponent. X square, base is same, you are adding the power. Plus 1 into x equal to 306. Now I am going to make the right hand side become 0. X square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. The previous sum I discussed. Sum is positive, product is negative. Bigger number positive, smaller number negative. 306. So, if you are confident, you have to split and write, or otherwise use the right hand side, apply the L-shaped division and find out the numbers. 2 ones are, remaining 1, 10, 5s are, then 3. Here the number ends with 3, so you cannot divide by 2. You can do the addition. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. The sum of the digit is 9, so you can divide by 3. 3, 5s are, 1s are. Again, add 6. It is multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are, remaining 17. Here you arrive prime number. After that you cannot proceed division. So now you are going to see the possibility. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 17. 18, 17. I said sum is positive. So bigger number positive, smaller number negative. 18 minus 17, 1x. Based on the sum, you should assign the sign of the possibilities. So how you are going to write? X plus 18, x minus 17 equal to 0. Right? X is equal to minus 18. How I am getting minus 18? First thing you should equate with 0. You are getting minus 18. Again the same. Second one you are going to equate with 0. X is equal to 17. Here x is equal to minus 18 is rejected because the question itself is given as positive integer. X is equal to minus 18 is rejected. Why it is rejected? In the question it is given as positive. So first number x is equal to 17. Therefore the numbers are 17. The next number what I conclude? X plus 1. So 17 plus 1, 18. This alone I repeat, you see, sum is positive, product is negative. So bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Based on the sum, you should assign the sign of the possibility. Positive they said, that's why we are rejecting minus 18. The final answer is the numbers or consecutive numbers are 17, 18. Now, Rogan's mother age is 26 years older than him. The product of their age 3 years from now will be 360. Find Rogan's present age. Here I will give the clue. Read the question. At the end, what they are expecting, that you consider as x. So, age, Rogan's age be x years. Here we are discussing the age, so I use the unit as years, right? Now, mother's age. See, Rogan mother is 26 years older, 26 years elder. Elder is replaced by addition. Him we consider as x. So 26 plus x years. Right? Understand? The Rogan's present age they are expecting, that I consider as x. Then I move to the first statement. Rogan's mother is 26 years older than him. So when the mother's age 26, the older, elder, more than. More than means what I said, addition. So plus x years. Next, 3 years from now. That means after 3 years. After 3 years. After 3 years. What is the Rogan age? The 3 should be added. Rogan's age equal to x plus 3. After 3 years, what is Rogan's age? X plus 3. For example, at present you are having 17 years. After 2 years, what is your age? If I ask, you people say 19. How can you say 19? 17 plus 2. The same way, here I consider as x. After 3 years, x plus 3 years. Once Now, after 3 years, log and age should be increased. Increased means addition. X plus 3. Mother's age 26 plus x plus 3, 29 plus x. Now we come to the part. What they say? Product. Product means what you want to do? Multiplication. According to the question. According to the question, you should like the subject, make yourself interesting, right? So, according to the question, product, log and age and the mother's age, x plus 3 into 29 plus x equal to given as 360. So, the whole statement I brought it in terms of quadratic equation. Day-to-day life we are using mathematics. So x into 29, 29x, x into x, the same law of exponent. X into x, x square plus 29 into 3. 29 into 3, what you will get? 3 9s are 27, remaining 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 87 plus 3x equal to 360. Now, x square, 29x plus 3x, 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. Right? X into 29, 29x plus x into x, x square plus 3 into 29, 87 plus 3 into x, 3x, x square plus 32x minus 360, 87. If you have a doubt, better do the subtraction in the right side. 360, 87. 10 remaining 3. Here what do you get? 5. So 15, 8 minus 8, 7. Here it becomes 2. So you get it as 273 minus 273. Why put minus here? Positive, negative, do the subtraction, greater number is negative, so you are getting negative. Now the same, sum is positive, product negative, sum positive, product negative. So bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Now 273. Here the number. When you sum up, you get it as multiple of 3. So you divide by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are. Again, which number is applicable here? 9 1. 9 plus 1 10. Cannot be. So what you can apply the next number, prime number, you should select it as 7. 7. Right? 7 1s are. Then 7 remaining how much? 21, 7, 3s are, right? Now, the possibility, 13 into 3, you may write 2 to 3 possibilities, okay, right? 3 7s are 21, then 13, that is one possibility. 3 into 13, 39, 7, that is another possibility. 13 into 7, 91 and 3. You people should use to write the possibility in the right side based on our format, based on our sum, select the possibility. Which is apt for this sum? When you put 21, I told you, sum is positive, product negative. Bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Based on the sum, you are going to select the possibility. See, 21 minus 13. Will you arrive at it? x plus 39 x minus 7 equal to 0. Right, x is equal to minus 39, x is equal to 7. Age cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 39 is rejected. Age cannot be negative. What is Rogan's present age? We have only x is equal to 7. What do you assume Rogan's age? Rogan's age as x. So Rogan's age as age equal to 7 years. If you want to write mother's age, but in the question they are asking only Rogan's age. Mother's age, what we consider? 29 plus x, right? 29 plus x. The x is 7, which is equal to 36 years. You need only Rogan, so you should stop up to this. If you want, if you are interested, you should move to the next. See here, x plus 39. 39 minus 7, you arrive as 32. So, x is equal to minus 39 is rejected. Rejected means age cannot be negative. X is equal to 7. Rogan's age equal to 7 years. Mother's age, we have 29 plus 7. 29 plus 7, 36 years. Here the possibilities you have to write. How many you can write? You can write. Then which is R you should select.